Given question is find the value of I of 1.6 from the table using Lagrange's formula. Given t values are t naught is equals to 1.2, t1 is equals to 2, t2 is equals to 2.5, and t3 is equals to 3. And the corresponding I values are I is equals to 1.36, I naught is equals to I1 is equals to 0.58, I2 is equals to 0.34, and I3 is equals to 0.2. We know from Lagrange's formula y of x is equals to uh, let us consider I of t is equals to t minus t1 into t minus t2 into t minus t3 by t naught minus t1 into t naught minus t2 into t naught minus t3 into I naught plus t minus t naught into t minus t2 into t minus t3 by t1 minus t naught into t1 minus uh, t2 into t1 minus t3 into I1 plus t minus t naught into t minus t1 into t minus t3 divided by t2 minus t1 t naught t2 minus t1 t2 minus t3 into I2 plus t minus t naught into t minus t1 into t minus t2 by t3 minus t naught into t3 minus t1 into t3 minus t2 into I3. Substituting the corresponding values here, t is equals to 1.6, so 1.6 minus t1 is 2 into 1.6 minus 2.5 into 1.6 minus t3 is 3 by t naught 1.2 minus 1.2 minus 2, 1.2 minus 2.5 into 1.2 minus 3 into I1 is 1.36 plus 1.6 minus here t naught is equals to 1.2 into 1.6 into 1.6 minus t2 is 2.5 into 1.6 minus t3 is 3 by t1 minus t naught. T1 is 2 minus 1.2, 2 minus 2.5 and 2 minus 3 into I1 is 0.58 plus t here 1.6 minus t naught is 1.2 into 1.6 minus 2 to 1.6 minus 3 by 2.5 minus 1.2, 2.5 minus 2 to 2.5 minus 3 into 0.34 plus 1.6 minus t naught 1.2, 1.6 minus t1 is 2, 1.6 minus t2 is 2.5 by 2 minus, sorry, not 2, it's 3 minus 1.2 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2.5 into 0.2. Calculating this, 1.6 minus 2 is minus 0.4. 1.6 minus 2.5 minus 0.9. 1.6 minus 3 is 1 point minus 1.4 by 1.2 minus 2 is minus 0.8. 1.2 minus 2.5 is 13 minus 1.3. 1.2 minus 3 gives 1 point minus 1.8 into 1.36 plus 1.6 minus 1.2 is 0.4. 1.6 minus 2.5 is 0.9 minus 0.9 into 1.6 minus 3 is 1.4 minus 1.4 into 0.58 divided by 2 minus 1.2, 0.8 into 2 minus 2.5, 0.5 minus 0.5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 1.6 minus 1.2 is 0.4. 1.6 minus 2 is minus 0.4. 1.6 minus 3 is minus 1.4 into 0.34 divided by 2.5 minus 1.2 gives 1.3. 2.5 minus 2 gives 0.5. 2.5 minus 3 is minus 0.5 plus 1.6 minus 1.2 0.4. 1.6 minus 2 is minus 0.4. 1.6 minus 2.5 is 0.9 minus 0.9 by 3 minus 1.2 is 1.8. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5 into I3 is 0.2. Calculating this, minus 0.4 into minus 0.9 into minus 1.4 into 1.36 divided by minus 0.8 into minus 1.3 into minus 1 point this equals to 0.366154 plus second one 0.4 into minus 0.9 into minus 1.4 into 0.58 divided by 0.8 into minus 0.5 into minus 1. This gives 0.7308 plus the third term 0.4 into minus 0.4 into minus 1.4 into 0.34 divided by 1.3 into 0.5 into minus 0.5. This is equals to minus 0.23434. The fourth last term is 0.4 into minus 0.4 into minus 0.9 into 0.2 divided by 1.8 into 0.5. This equals to 0.0320. Adding all this, 0.366154 plus 0.7308 minus 0.23434 plus 0.0320 equals to, this is equals to 0.894614. Therefore the given I of 1.6 is equals to 0.894614.